called Rishu.
सुख करता दुख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची नुरवी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदरी उकिशेंदुराची कंठी झलके माल मुक्ता फलाची जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव रत्न खचित पारा तुम गौरी कुमरा चंदन ऊटी कुमकुम केशरा हिरजट मुकुट शोभतो बारा झुड़ती नूपुरे चरणी घाघरिया जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव Thank you.
Thank you, Rishu, for connecting us to the glory of God. As we all know, one day is not enough to thank our teachers for the pain and effort they are taking and the hard work they are doing just to give us all what they have, be it pandemic or any other situation. They never step back in giving us their best. So how can we? So here we are going to present a small video clip prepared by the contribution of all the students of 12th A in order to wish our teachers.
Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Wish you a happy Teachers Day, sir.
Happy Teachers Day.
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 Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers.
Happy Teachers Day.
Music has the best expression that tongue could tell and the heart could feel. So here comes Vibhu to thank our teachers through a song and show our gratitude towards them.
जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राह भर बने वही थाम जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राह भर बने वही वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें हाँ मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें
मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान। दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते, तराने ही हम तुम्हारे गुनगुनाते। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें। धूप में भी जैसे थे छाँव के तले, कांटों की चुभन भी मन को ना खले। धूप में भी जैसे थे छाँव के तले, कांटों की चुभन भी मन को ना खले। दिए की लौ की तरह जो सदा जले, रोशनी से जिसके हर अंधेरा ढले। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें। थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राह पर बने बने। थामा चले तो राह पर बने बने। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें। मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें। थे तुम्हें।
It is twisted and broken pieces of words leads to simple, healed, and peaceful expression. Therefore, I would like to call Anisha to narrate a poem written by her for our teachers.
किताबों ने भले ही बताया दुनिया गोल है, पर इन्होंने सिखाया तुम्हें आगे बढ़ना और जीतना हर रोज है। ग्रेविटी, मैक्सवेल, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के कंसेप्ट से न्यूटन और मैक्सवेल ने सिरदर्द कराया, पर हर न्यूमेरिकल को ऑल इज वेल शशि सर ने बनाया। साइंस इज अ मिस्टीरियस ब्लैक होल, बड़े ही दिल से पढ़ाया था उन्होंने इलेक्ट्रिक डायपोल। मैक्सिमा मिनिमा का यूज कारपेंटर भी करता है, पहले एक अच्छा इंसान बनो, ये हमारे जेपी सर ने सिखाया। अरेंजमेंट पीरियड में इन्होंने हमें गेम्स भी खूब खिलाया, गलतियों पर समझाया, डाउट्स को भगाया, बोरिंग चैप्टर्स को भी इंटरेस्टिंग बनाया, एंड क्लास में आने वाली नींद को झट से उड़ाया। धज्जियां उड़ी हुई इंग्लिश को भी तो इन्होंने ही संभाला था। ह्यूमैनिटी फर्स्ट को किया था डॉक्टर सदाव ने प्रेफर। मंजू मैम के साथ किए 2 साल की जर्नी इज अ थिंग ऑफ ब्यूटी फॉर एवर। सर के ऊपर से जाने वाली ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री को गिरीश सर ने आसान बनाया। एक ग्राफ को 10-10 बार बनवा के फुल मार्क्स भी तो इन्होंने दिलवाया। असाइनमेंट सबमिट करने हैं ऑन डेट, ये कह के याद कराए हमें रिएक्शन रेट। थोड़ा आप भी हंसिए, थोड़ा हम भी हंसे, स्विट्जरलैंड में हो क्या, इस डायलॉग से पूरी क्लास को हंसाया। इस तरह हंसते हंसाते केमिस्ट्री से हमारा हाथ मिलवाया। धड़खड़ाए हम कई बार हैं, लेकिन संभले इनके साथ से हैं। गिरते हुए जब भी इन्हें पुकारा, संभले हम इनके हाथ से हैं। बहुत नीचा दिखाया हमें लोगों ने, लेकिन आगे बढ़े हम इनकी बात से हैं। बहुत आजमाया है जमाने ने, पर मजबूत इन्होंने हमारी नींव बनाई है, और जो कभी थक के रुके ना, ऐसी जीव इन्होंने सजाई है। बहुत डराया है अंधेरों ने, लेकिन उजाला इन्होंने दिखाया है। कांटों भरे मार्ग पे फूल भी तो इन्होंने ही सजाया है, और आज इस मुकाम पर खड़े हैं हम, हमारे टीचर्स, इस काबिल भी तो हमें आप ही ने बनाया है। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Anisa, for such beautiful lines. Now, I would like to call Sejpreet to give a speech on Teachers' Day.
गुरु बिन ज्ञान न उपजे, गुरु बिन मिले न मोक्ष, गुरु बिन लखे न सत्य को, गुरु बिन मैटे न दोष। A teacher is a lamp that fills the light of knowledge in us, the light of the word, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. With these wonderful quotations and thoughts, I wish a very pleasant good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. Today, we all have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that our future is bright. On this beautiful occasion, let us take opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given us impeccable contribution in shaping us. Every year, the 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India, commemorating the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Along with being a successful leader in the form of President of our country, Dr. Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Teachers' Day is celebrated as a special event in different countries on different dates. In China, it is celebrated on 10th of September. The purpose of celebrating this event in all the countries is usually to honor the backbones of the nation building, that is, our teachers, and to praise the achievements made in the field of education. I feel honored to thank all our teachers who selflessly and continuously help us in building ourselves as a good human being, in shaping our future. Our teachers do not consider us less than their own children, and they teach us diligently. As a child, whenever we need inspiration and encouragement, they are always ready to help us. They do not give us theoretical knowledge, but also provide us with the practicalities of our life and help us to fight through bad situations with wisdom and patience. Dear teachers, we will be truly grateful to you always. I would like to end my speech with this meaningful thought showing the importance of teachers in our country, that if there were no teachers, all other professions would not exist. I repeat, if there were no teachers, all other professions would not exist. Thank you.
Thank you, Sejpreet, for such a heart-touching speech.
All these things cannot fully show our respect, love, and gratitude for you, dear teachers. Therefore, now we are going to present a short video presentation as a symbol of our gratitude towards you, which is prepared by Siddharth and Ankit.
जिसने भी कर दिया आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वही। थामा जिसने भी कर दिया आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते, तराने हम तुम्हारे ही गुनगुनाते।
To all the teachers we have met in this life, a very happy Teachers' Day from all of us, and thank you for making us enabled. Shukriya.
Thank you, Siddharth and Ankit, for your effort. Dear teachers, are you enjoying? We yet have another surprise for you. And that is a game planned by us to make your day more energetic, memorable, and full of fun for you. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to Muskan to tell us about the rules and other proceedings of the games.
So, dear teachers, you will be asked questions by Rahul. And if you know the answer, you need to raise your hand. And you have to answer that question within 15 seconds. I repeat, you have to answer the questions within 15 seconds. Yogeshwar is ready with the stopwatch. If you are unable to answer the question, Yogeshwar will tell you the answer, but you have to do a dare, which will be read by Aryan. Thank you.
Now, teachers, are you ready? Starting with the first question. If you throw a blue stone into the Red Sea, what it will become? I repeat the question again. If you throw a blue stone into the Red Sea, what it will become?
Yes, sir.
Shashi sir.
Shashi sir has raised the hand first.
It will sink.
No.
It will be blue only.
No, sir.
Yogeshwar?
Correct answer? The correct answer is it will become wet.
It will become red.
Wet.
Wet.
Okay, it will become wet.
Aryan, read the day once again.
Aryan, you are not audible, beta.
Don't worry, I'm doing the dare. So Manju ma'am and Shashi sir, both of you will have to do the dare. So you have to do a mimicry
No,
of
Shashi
your
sir will
favorite.
do. I just took a chance.
we have attempted. At least we have
Yeah,
attempted. So you have
after
to
this.
give the dare those who have not attempted. We have attempted.
No,
Enjoy the dare. It's
And
very easy.
the worst part is you are asking a science question to a humanities student. So I'm not there.
It's
at
not
all.
a science question, ma'am. I think it's a
But they made
general
it
question,
scientifically, no? They
logical
made
reasoning question.
now teachers don't fight. Shashi
Okay,
sir, you have to
after
do mimicry of your favorite actor till we guess. I repeat, you have to do mimicry of your favorite actor till we guess.
favorite actor is Amitabh Bachchan.
Sir, you don't have to
We
tell.
have to tell. We have
You
to
have to do his mimicry.
Sorry, I've not listened. No. So we have to do the mimicry. Okay, so I
Yes.
will change my second favorite. Okay, so let me remind his famous dialogue. It's like डॉन को पकड़ना तो मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन I think everyone can able to. Yes.
Shahrukh Khan.
Shahrukh Khan, sir.
Shahrukh Khan.
Yes, it's very famous. I usually watch
yeah,
very
but
less
then I
movies,
think-
so we have very limited options.
Okay, sir.
Man will also do, na?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
next
Yes,
time,
yes,
next
ma'am
time.
will
No,
also.
no, next
Ma'am,
time, next time, next
all
time.
the-
No,
all
no,
the
no.
teachers.
No, next time. Chalo.
Okay,
All
ma'am.
ma'am, this time only.
Move
All the
forward.
teachers.
Ma'am, one dialogue, please. Only one dialogue.
Dialogue.
Yes, ma'am. Dialogue.
Yes, ma'am, please.
No need to. All the teachers will have to do. JP
No, we
sir
don't
and Giri
watch
sir,
so
you
many
all are the
movies.
next.
We don't watch so many movies. We don't remember at all.
Then some famous dialogue.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Om Shanti Om picture one that. Ek Sindur.
Very good. Very good.
What are you doing? Laugh. तुम मिलो कल क्लास में. Then I'll know.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर वाला डायलॉग.
Shut up.
It's iconic and anyone can guess.
I'll take my turn next time. Okay, let me think. You just move forward.
Okay,
next time.
JP sir, now you do.
एक चुटकी सिंदूर.
Any, your
No,
favorite.
sir. Any, sir. Any.
Sir, Gabbar Singh, sir. Sir, Gabbar Singh.
Gabbar Singh. I don't remember the name, but
Samba.
there is one movie. The actor wants to represent his अपने mother को, अपने sister, brother, whatever they are. उसकी wife का क्या नाम रहता है? I forget it. तो the actor said, आप कुछ भी कहो मैं सब विश्वास कर लूं, लेकिन उसके चरित्र पर उठाई हुई उंगली में विश्वास नहीं कर सकता.
Nice, sir. Giri sir, now you have to do.
For me,
Yes, sir. Manju
Yes,
ma'am,
sir.
you are next.
Yes, ma'am. Everyone is doing. You have.
R.
Yes, ma'am,
Okay.
you have to do.
गिरीश सर अपनी खुद की मूवी बना रहे हैं, उसी का डायलॉग दो.
बेटा, झुंड में तो सुअर आते हैं, शेर तो हमेशा अकेले आता है.
Wow, sir. Shivaji the boss.
Wow,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, Manju ma'am, it's your turn.
अरे यार.
Ma'am, that only. एक चुटकी one.
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. I don't remember rather. I'm telling you very frankly. Okay.
Ma'am, you remember that one, na? Which we are telling?
मंजू मैम सर खत्म होंगे. भाई
Ma'am,
साहब खत्म होंगे.
Basanti from Sole.
Oh my God. Sir. Okay, चलिए. No, this one is my favorite, which I am just trying to, but I don't remember the first lines. But let me see. Teachers, please keep quiet. I want the students to guess the movie. Okay. कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, अगर तुम होती तो ये कहती, अगर तुम होती तो ऐसा होता, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है. Guess the movie fast.
जब तक अरे that one.
Which
जब
one?
तक है जान.
जब तक है जान.
No,
जब तक है
no,
जान.
no.
Teachers, please help.
You're trying to trap
It's of
us.
Shahrukh Khan only.
No.
Shahrukh Khan only.
He's not at all my favorite.
Farhan.
अगर तुम होती.
बागवान.
Farhan
अरे
actor.
go back. JP sir, Girish sir. Try to guess.
कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Not at all, beta. I can give you the clues. I can give you the clues.
Yes, ma'am.
Most controversial movie of Amitabh Bachchan and the all-time
Ma'am,
favorite of
Kabhi Kabhi.
everyone. No.
शहंशाह मैम.
सिलसिला. सिलसिला.
It's Silsila. It's a very nice one. I don't remember the whole of it, but it's really touching. It's very nice. Okay, done. Now next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next
Rahul,
question.
continue.
Now moving to the next question. Teachers, please listen carefully. What gets wetter the more it dries? What gets wetter the more it dries?
No one?
No one has raised the hand.
I will not. Will not.
Everyone do the. Everyone will do the dare.
No.
Any
Now
guesses?
everyone will do.
Not all the time.
No, ma'am. No one has raised even. No one has tried even.
Not even
You can-
attempted the question, ma'am.
Sweating.
Yogeshwar, tell the answer.
Sweat.
She said.
MCQ is it MCQ? Just give us the options.
Choose, choose.
Sir,
No,
if you
no,
give
no.
the option, then you will get guess very easily.
Fill in the blank.
So it is one
It
word
is
answer.
filling the blank.
Not MCQ.
Don't know.
No options, ma'am. Only fill in the blank.
Don't know. Yogeshwar, please tell.
The answer is towel.
It is
Towel.
towel. Okay. Then how it gets wet when it dries?
Ma'am, it dries our body and absorbs water and gets wet.
No, it is confusing. You confused us. No, it is. The question was not clear.
That's a googly, ma'am.
Just a way of.
That's a googly, ma'am. We have to
No,
understand that.
we want equal marks for everyone now. No daring.
Everyone will do the dare. Aryan,
not
read
at
the dare.
It's a dare time. Tell us your best memory from your school life. I repeat it. Tell us the best memory from your school life.
As a student, as a teacher.
As a student.
Ma'am,
As a student.
Manju ma'am will go first.
Who said that? Who said that?
Ankit.
I thought Girish dared to say so. No, let me tell you very frankly, we don't remember the good things happened with us. Okay, we forget them very easily. But the things which always remember, we remember is either touching moments or the things. You can say that the arguments with the friends and all. Okay, so I have shared it in my class also, I think. Maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure whether in your class or not. When I had a really tough time with one of my classmates, as a monitor, I was asked by the principal sir to take him to the barber to have his hair cut. I think I have shared it with you all. Being a monitor, when I was just pushing him to go to the barber, who used to sit at the main gate of our school, just because he was having the big hair. And after the haircut, my God, I was terrified for the next 1 week that he is going to beat me anytime whenever he'll get a hand off me. I'm telling you very frankly, still I remember the name, still I remember the face, and I cannot forget it at all, frankly speaking, apart from all the good memories. Now, I've done my job.
Thank you, ma'am. Shashi sir?
Yes, actually, that was a golden era when we were in school. So that's the golden era, or there are lots of best moments. But as per the present scenario, I just want to discuss that whenever the history teacher is absent in my school, and we used to we used to just play games in our school. That was the best moment for my.
We used to look forward for the absent teachers, isn't it, sir?
Yes,
We used to
absent
have
history
arrangement.
teacher, absent history teacher, and that period will be assigned as a game period.
In
Always
my
game period.
case, the physics and maths teachers.
No,
Physics and
if it is physics and maths, then it will be definitely interesting. But means if it is game, then it's wonderful.
Yeah, exactly.
Sir, Girish sir.
Okay, beta. My beautiful memory for my school life is from class 11, 12th. When I was in class 11th, then my teacher was there, whose initial name I'm forgetting, but title was Murli Dharan. So that time in Sri Lankan team, Muthaiya Murli Dharan was there. So whenever means the pattern, the type, the way he is teaching, that I want to acquire, but I am not getting that level. And he told me one thing, which I am trying to be the part of my life. One day we were there in lab. Then that time we were doing something with filter paper. Then he has told to us कि बेटा लाइफ में एक चीज याद रखो, बिकॉज वी वर स्टडी इन यूपी बोर्ड स्कूल, कि एक चीज याद रखो कि अपने लाइफ में हमेशा जब भी बनो एक फिल्टर पेपर की तरह बनो. यू आर मीन्स यू विल बी रेडी टू गेट एवरीथिंग. आपके पास सारी चीजें आएंगी, बट फिल्टर इट दैट, आप उसको फिल्टर करो एंड गेट द बेस्ट वन फ्रॉम दैट एंड पास ओनली दैट टू योर अदर्स. So that was my beautiful memory from my school life, which I am trying to कि ये मेरे life का part बन जाए, and I will become that type of filter paper कि I am ready to get everything, but I will pass only the good thing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Just a question to the organizer that we have to join the other class when this sitting will be in.
5 to 10 minutes.
Because other students are messaging beta in the other
because
classes,
I
so
have-
please. Huh?
Okay, yes. They are
Only
keep
it's
on
10
messaging
minutes.
me
10
also.
minutes.
Only 10 minutes.
10 minutes is too late.
Better than
They
their
have the
program will
schedule
also
time
be
from
over,
11
no?
to
That is why.
11:30.
Let us stop the game and just wind up it if you feel like that, because they are messaging continuously. Beta.
Continuously, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, if anyone will have to go, means any teacher wants to stay like that also.
Okay, so
It can happen.
excuse me for 2 minutes. I mean, for 5 to 10 minutes, I'll join back. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you
Me
very
too,
much,
me
all
too.
of you.
I
Thank
will
you very
also
much.
leave.
Thank you.
Thank
Once
you.
again, thank
Sir,
you.
please
Our
try
pleasure.
to join after some time.
Ma'am, again we will go back, come back to the there.
JP sir, you haven't told your memory.
Definitely, beta. So first of all, the memory that I have acquired in me from my teacher.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Of them, and they live as a student. Consider then I come.
Sir, you are not properly audible.
Consider. I'm not audible. Okay, let me come outside. There are some network issues are there. Hope now audible clearly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Audible
Yes,
now?
sir.
Okay. See, I consider because as well as student, both used to go to school every day. So both are learner. A student and teacher, both are the teachers of each other. Both are the student of each other. In my life, I got so many teachers who made me like this. And the inspirable person gained in my life was the principal of the school when I was in class 9 and 10 in Kerala, district Malappuram. His all the activities like this, like me. उनकी एक एक बातें from morning to night He was very good principal, he was very good human being, और उन्होंने मुझे ऐसा बना, और मैं चाहता हूं कि ऐसे ही मैं लाइफ लॉन्ग। एक ही चीज मैंने उनकी नहीं मानी, उन्होंने कहा कि 10th के बाद तुम यहाँ रुको, 11th 12th यहाँ से करके, लेकिन घर कितनी प्यार था कि वी रिटर्न बैक फ्रॉम देयर टू आवर होम टाउन। और आज भी जब भी हम पढ़ाते हैं तो आई सी माई सेल्फ एज हिम। कभी आपने देखा बेटा कि मैं आप लोगों के लिए टेबल तक उठा करके रख देता हूँ, ये उनकी दी हुई चीजें हैं, ये उन्होंने हमें दिया है कि अपने लिए और अपनों के लिए कभी काम करने में किसी प्रकार की शर्म नहीं होनी चाहिए। आपको कभी नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि आप टीचर हो तो अपने बच्चे के लिए चेयर उठा रहे हो। अभी एक बच्ची ने बोला था कि हमारे टीचर्स हमको अपने बच्चे जैसा मानते हैं। डेफिनेटली बेटा, अगर हम आपके बच्चे जैसे मानते हैं तो अपने बच्चे के लिए कुछ भी काम करने के लिए हम किसी प्रकार से भी बैकवर्ड नहीं होना चाहिए। बहुत सारी मेमोरीज बेटा, बहुत सारी मेमोरीज हैं।
Muskan, continue.
Muskan, shall we move to the next question?
Yes, yes.
Rahul, continue.
Wait, Rahul, no one is here. Please wait for 2 minutes.
Sir, you are there.
Only I. Maybe any network problem is there. Sir is joining.
Yes, sir.
Just wait.
We are waiting.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sir, JP sir is joining.
Yes, he's saying he's trying. Some network issue is there. He's trying to join. Just wait for 1 minute.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Muskan.
Sir, we are continuing with the question. JP sir will come, then we'll repeat the question. Is it okay?
Okay. Okay.
Rahul, continue.
So the third question is, what is it that lives if it feed and dies if you give it a drink? I repeat the question again. What is it that lives if it feed and dies if you give it a drink?
Fire.
Yes, sir.
Fire.
Correct answer. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir,
Thank
you are
you.
correct.
Then also you have to do the dare.
I am alone here, so I am the winner. If I will race with myself, then I will always be winner.
तो
So now
बाकी
dare
लोग के
for
हिस्से
you,
का
all
करना
of you.
पड़ेगा ना.
सर डू द
Now
डेयर
dare
बहुत
for
मुश्किल से प्लान किए हैं सब लोग.
dare
Sir,
for you,
on the
all of
behalf
you.
of JP sir and all.
Just wait a minute, others are joining. But before that, it is dare for all of you. The same question. Good memory for your school life. One by one, please.
Monitor first.
Okay, monitor first, Ulas. Very good answer. Ulas. We also require some information for you, means from your life, na?
सर हम लोग तो मेमोरी अभी बना रहे हैं ना.
नहीं अभी
Yes, sir.
11
Siddharth
years
is
are
correct.
over.
Sir, अभी हम
11
लोग
years are
मेमोरी
over.
बना भी दो
और
साल
कोई
का gap
मेमोरी
है।
नहीं,
11
बस
years
स्कूल ही
are
तो है और तो कुछ है ही नहीं.
so that school life we need to share maybe in future anywhere, then we require your information also. Ullas, please. Sri Gadesaya Nama. Ullas, where are
सर
you?
अभी सोचना पड़ेगा सर. याद नहीं है कुछ.
सोचना पड़ेगा.
तो 2
Okay.
साल से स्कूल नहीं गए तो सब भूल गए हैं.
तो इसी को स्वीट
Nice
मेमोरी
one,
बना दो ना.
Ullas.
Sweet memory इसी को बना दो. Sweetest memory of your school life is when you were not in school but you have studied everything. So आप किसको पास करना चाहते हो? Give your name.
Girl monitor.
Okay. Who is there?
May I also pass?
No. If everyone will pass, then who will give the answer?
You will give.
Any
It will come
memory
back
will
to
be there,
you.
that is sure. I'm not saying the one of the best memory. Anything class KG, class 1, class 2, class 3.
Sir, we have infinite memories.
Yes,
तो पूरा मतलब
unable to tell which one
कंसीडर
we
करने में
want
ना
to
पूरा
tell.
कंफ्यूज हो
बहुत
जाएंगे.
सारे हैं.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कौन सा बताएं.
Anyone. Anyone.
Sir, I'm sharing. So, sir, it's a memory of my previous school. Uh, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, continue.
Yes,
Yes,
it is a
continue.
memory of my previous school. So I think I was in class 10th only. So one of my favorite teacher was there, Ajay sir, in English. So he was my favorite teacher. So what I used to, I was like, we had a competition in another school, so we have to go for that. So student were like to be selected from the school only. So I prepared a lot for Ajay sir, like Ajay sir will select me only. Like it was as a student, I felt like I will do my best so that Ajay sir will select me. But unfortunately, maybe I was not good in speaking, so I wasn't get selected. But another ma'am, Hindi teacher, Shraddha ma'am, there was. So she selected me for essay writing on for the zonal level. So I went to so on like it on 26th it was for the competition of English one, and on 27 it was for the zonal level essay competition. So on 26th, what happened? I wasn't selected, so I was very sad. So the students who were selected, they went for Banaras W.H. Smith School. So unfortunately, their vehicle. Oh, and yes, one more thing: a student was supposed to take part in only one program only. So unfortunately, a school vehicle got disabled. So that's why none of the students were able to reach their final destination. Means you can say the English competition from our school, no one went there. The bus returned back to school. So and another day, it was the day for the Hindi level Hindi essay writing competition. So on that day, everything went fine, and I got the prize also for the essay writing. Third prize I got. So it was like everyone was telling. Shraddha ma'am also knew that I haven't prepared much for essay. I had prepared for English, but just opposite happened. So she was like, Muskan, dekho beta, everything happens for our own good. So on that day, I really realized that everything happens for our own good. So that was one of the best memory you can say. Thank
So
you,
it
sir.
means, Muskan, the time is teaching you, time has teached you, okay, please remember whatever is happened, that will be good for your life. So JP sir, Jain sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, if
JP
I'm
sir,
audible.
today we are guest, that's why I requested to your class students, please share your memories. So Muskan has shared. Now Muskan, to whom you want to pass it?
Sir, if
Priyanshu
anyone
wants to share. Priyanshu has
yes, sir,
raised his hand.
Priyanshu.
When other teacher will join, then please continue your program. Okay. Just one or
Sir,
two more. One
sir,
or
my
two more.
best, sir,
No,
my
Girish
best
sir,
memory.
Yes, sir.
Girish sir, you be there. You be there. ठीक है. Actually, these words of the students are very, very good for all of us. And since you have requested, so you must be there. And it's my humble
I'm here,
request
sir.
from all my students to you. Thank you.
I'm here. I'm here with you
Yes,
every
beta,
time.
please continue. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Sir, my best memory was in class 10th when I got selected for the national team in Varanasi region at Sampurnanand Stadium, Sigra. And when we have gone to play the nationals, I have scored the maximum goal. And
It's on video, beta. That's good. Very good, Priyanshu.
Sir, my best memory was that when I got selected for the national team in handball for the Varanasi regional team at Sampurnanand Stadium, Sigra. And we have won the gold medal there at Roorkee. And I was the player of the tournament because I have scored the maximum goal. At that time, my coach was that Mr. Altaf Ansari. He told it, but I am proud of you. That was the best memory of my life because I was the player of the tournament.
Okay, Priyanshu. So now your next goal is class 12th. Give us the chance to say, Priyanshu, we all are proud of you. Okay, Priyanshu.
Sir,
God
one
bless
more
you.
memory. Yes, I have one more goal that I have to qualify the NDA examination.
Okay. but NDA will come after 12th. So first will be this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, continue. And
Okay.
our blessings are with you.
Thank
And
you,
one
sir.
more thing, Priyanshu and other children, that I am saying every time, कि God has given you a beautiful face. Then why you all are always be in video off mode? अपना चेहरा देखने से शर्म आती है. Please be on video on mode. ठीक है? Always try to, ठीक है, believe in yourself. No matter कि आप कैसे हो क्या हो, इससे मतलब नहीं होता है. ठीक है? Believe, confidence होना सबसे अच्छी बात है. So please, those who are in video off mode, please believe in yourself. God has given a beautiful face. So please. Okay, so Priyanshu, your
Yes,
pass
sir.
one. To whom you want to pass?
Sir, Amish Anand.
Ullas. No, I'm getting कि उल्लास के बहुत सारे दुश्मन हैं. उल्लास.
Yes, sir.
Now, final time. Muskan.
Yes, sir.
JP sir is here and I am here. JP sir, can you talk to Manju ma'am and Sasi sir?
Should I call
I'm
them?
also going to call to Sasi sir. If
Okay,
both
I'll
will
be
join,
calling.
then we can complete this. Yes, Muskan.
I'm calling Manju ma'am. ठीक है?
Please, you call to Manju ma'am. I'm calling to Sasi sir.
Okay, sure.
Just wait a minute, student.
Okay, sir.
Thank you to all of you. Thank you very much.
Sir, should we continue?
Yes, beta. Please continue.
Rahul, start the question.
Oh, again questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Girish sir has already answered. Now other teachers have to guess.
Yes, ma'am. Girish sir had answered one question right. And that too within 15 seconds.
Rahul, please ask.
So the question is, what is it that lives if it feed and dies if you give it a drink?
Please repeat.
I repeat the question again. It that feed and dies if you give it a drink.
Able to understand.
Rahul, please repeat. The question is not properly audible.
Ullas, please you repeat the question.
That lives if it feed and dies if you give it a drink.
Ma'am, have you heard the question?
Now I have heard, but I'm not able to get it. Flip the question.
You will tell the answer.
Flip the question.
JP sir is also there. JP sir.
JP sir, you try. You are
No
always
lifelines,
silent.
ma'am. Do or die.
हाँ, do or die नहीं, ऐसा नहीं.
No lifelines.
No lifelines.
Ma'am, do or dare.
I myself too.
हाँ? अच्छा, dare बताइए.
Every time in front of my students.
Tell me the dare, then I'll choose.
So
Aryan.
there is nothing that I eagerly want to attempt.
Beta, I'm not able to hear you all. Something is, I mean.
Sir, your voice is cracking.
Yeah.
JP sir, your voice is cracking.
Sir, it will be better if you put your camera.
proper place
Then we can at least hear you.
Please repeat again, JP sir. Sir, please repeat what you said. You are facing network issue, sir.
Ma'am, till the time you do the dare.
Acha, what is the dare, Aryan? Please remember.
Ma'am, you
before
have to
telling the
recite the
dare,
alphabet in the
when-
reverse order.
Sorry, I have to.
Ma'am, you have to recite the alphabets in the reverse order.
So that I can do. That's good. Reverse order. Z, Y, X,
Yes, ma'am.
W, V, U, T.
No, ma'am.
No, acha, U, X, 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 X. Not able to do in the reverse order, beta. Done. Next.
But ask Girish sir, he has a very good confidence on this.
Girish sir, please do.
I had already got the point. So
Bonus points he is having.
Try, sir, you will not lose the point.
Please
Yes,
repeat,
sir.
the title.
Please try.
Repeat the question again. Repeat the question again.
Dare, na, ma'am. Dare, no. He has already answered
No,
correctly.
that
then.
question.
Not there. The question he said.
No, question.
Or otherwise tell the answer at least. When we feed it something like that, it grows, and when we it drinks something, it dies. ऐसा ही कुछ था ना?
Rahul, repeat. Rahul, please repeat.
What is it that lives if it feeds and dies if you give it a drink?
So what is the answer?
The answer is fire.
The answer is
Fire.
how? When it drinks,
Ma'am,
how it
drink
can
is
die?
water. If you give it water, it goes off.
Fire.
Fire, ma'am. Fire.
Fire.
Fire,
Okay.
aag,
Fire.
aag.
Okay.
Agni.
Okay. Got it. Got it. Yes. Next.
Rahul, continue the question.
How many questions you have?
Ma'am, 2 more.
Only 2 more.
Ma'am, we are
So
also
the
like
next
this fed up.
question is, how many seconds are there in a year?
JP sir. Over to you. I'm not at all good at maths.
Dare
Tricky
time.
question you can also answer.
Ma'am,
Think
just think
logically.
once.
How many seconds are there in a year?
Don't give hint now, please.
How many seconds in a year?
JP
Not
sir,
related to calculation, ma'am.
Okay. How many
Siddharth.
seconds?
Arey ma'am, 365 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 60
This is
multiplied
not
by
what
60.
they want. This is
No,
not the
sir. No,
answer.
sir.
If it would
Sir,
have
it is
been so
not
easy,
related to
so
calculation.
No, sir.
year, second.
Girish
year,
sir, any guesses?
year,
It is logical, sir.
Y-E-A-R. Y-E-A-R. No. This year, no. I cannot connect. I can't connect.
ma'am, give up.
Girish
You want
sir,
to do?
any guess?
Girish sir is telling.
can you repeat question once again in slow motion?
How many seconds are there in a year?
Second.
I think second means 2. So 2 will come 2 times.
Sir,
So from my side, answer will be 2.
minute, hour, seconds.
You are almost there.
You are almost
Your
there.
correct answer.
Once.
So, Girish sir, you are getting it.
Once.
Girish sir, you are getting it.
You will tell us.
How?
1.
Now, sir, time up.
Correct answer is 12.
How?
January 2nd, February 2nd, March 2nd, so on. When it is asking about date 2nd, means 1st January, 2nd January, 3rd January, and so on. It's date.
Dates of the months, ma'am. January 2nd, February 2nd.
Second day
Second
of
day
every
you are
month.
talking about. Oh my God.
Second day of every month.
ना हमारा इंग्लिश ही ठीक है.
Ma'am, now dare.
No dare. Last question.
Yes, ma'am. Dare is
Dare?
compulsory.
No, ma'am. There is there.
Ask JP said to do something now. He's not
Yes,
doing anything at all.
I will do a lot.
No, ask
No.
him now. No,
Yes,
ask
ma'am.
him.
Now JP sir
Not
will
to
do
me.
the dare first. JP sir, you have
हाँ,
to
चलो.
do the dare. Please read the dare, Aryan.
Sir, tell us a joke until someone of us laughs.
Some of you.
Laugh. You have to make us
Sir,
laugh.
laugh, sir.
We have to be dead serious, it means.
Yes.
There are so many every day in the class I used to do.
So here will be
चलो,
rigid now.
चलो अच्छा नो इशू. एक बंदर एक केला लेकर के एक आम के पेड़ पर चढ़ गया और वहां से चिल्लाने लगा, मैं केला खाने जा रहा हूँ. सारे जानवर इकट्ठा हो गए. उसने कहा कि पागल इंसान, केला कैसे खाएगा यहाँ पर, ये तो आम का पेड़ है. तो उसने कहा कि मैं केला लेके जा रहा हूँ ना, केला बैठ के खाऊंगा. अरे यार कोई तो हंस दो भाई.
No, sir. Second
No,
try.
Any more?
Second
Yes,
try.
sir.
Sir.
Yes, the second.
No one laughed.
No one lost. You all have a very good control on yourself. That's a very good thing. That I wanted to see. You know, teachers are always judging their students in all the circumstances. Okay. And they learn a lot also. Okay. Let me recall one more. Once in a class in 2013, I believe, I spoke a sentence in front of my students. That I'm a lone husband let me recall the sentence. What I not getting those words. Coming to another. So can we proceed to next?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
Try
No,
Santa
sir.
Manta, sir.
Santan Manta. I don't recall.
Last. Okay.
Friends.
Move forward to the next question till that time.
Ma'am, you do the dare.
No, all the time. Why I should do it? I've done twice. And the next
Okay,
Ma'am,
sir.
you and Giri sir both have to do. Ma'am, both have not answered correctly.
Yes, ma'am.
We have not tried even. So those who are giving the
Then
wrong
you have
answer,
to
they
do,
should
ma'am,
take the
2
dare.
dares.
Acha. Beta,
Yes,
ASL
ma'am, you
is there,
haven't
then I'll
even
talk to
attempted
you.
the question.
ASL is there on Wednesday, then I'll ask you the questions. How to dare.
Ma'am, this is not fair. This is not fair.
Acha, ask the last question, beta. It is
This is
11:38 almost.
blackmailing.
We have every right to do that. Acha, ask the
Ma'am
last
will
question.
take the
fast.
revenge.
Yes, exactly. I'm preparing something for that. Today I'll prepare all the questions. Okay? And then
Ma'am,
I'll
so
ask
you can
you to
ask
dare.
for Children's Day, no? That
Sorry?
would be equal. Ma'am, you could ask us for Children's Day. That would be the fair thing.
Yes,
No, I'll ask
ma'am.
everybody and I'll ask you to do the dare in front of everyone also. Like the way you are testing us. Okay, last question. Fast, beta. It is 11:30.
But on that day, the students should not be checked, ma'am. On that day, the students should not be checked. Because every day, the whole year, you keep on checking. That day, you should. Nah.
Actually, every year they make our day so special. Every year I personally like these 2 days, Teachers Day and the farewell. All these students, they make us emotional. On the Teachers Day, I don't think any of the, farewell. I don't remember even a single farewell when we all of the teachers don't have tears in our eyes when we part with them. Telling you very frankly and honestly. And we don't feel ashamed of shedding tears because it's in front of everyone.
These are.
So please repeat.
Sir, voice not clear.
Yeah. Your network is not supporting, sir.
So you can turn off your video. That might help.
And you people are lucky enough, you will have the farewell. The last batch, they missed that opportunity.
Ma'am, online or offline?
No, this time offline, beta. Don't use the word online. At least this time. We should not speak and think about it. Manifestations. Feel good. We will have a nice farewell. We will have a nice farewell. Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so Muskan, please, beta, last question so that we can go to the next class for.
So now moving to the last question. I am an odd number. Take away one letter and I become even. What am I?
Please repeat.
I repeat the question again. I am an odd number. Take away one letter and I become even. What am I? Any guesses?
Answer?
Not able to guess.
Girish sir, any guesses?
Anyone from the class want to give the answer?
Yes, any student, please try.
Tell the answer now. Too much suspense.
The correct answer is 7.
It
Yes, and it will become even.
7.
7.
7.
If you remove S, it will become even.
Even okay.
SEVEN.
Good. Nice.
Give the dare.
It's a day.
We have to do the dare.
Seriously, Ullas? Yes, fast. Panarian has taken the responsibility to give the dare to all of us, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you have to sing your favorite song with the skipping the most repetitive word.
My. I don't remember. I mean, I'm not able to remember my favorite song at this moment, rather.
Any song you can sing.
And don't skip the word, just sing.
I don't have so much brain, beta.
Ma'am, any song that you remember, just sing that.
Don't remember it. Acha, Girish sir, you start that till the time I'm thinking.
Everything is
No, you start. I'll just take 1 minute. I'm telling you, it's not able to think.
Okay. किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार देख लो इधर तो एक बार दिल चाहे जितना प्यार उतना मांग लो तुमको मिलेगा उतना प्यार किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार में हूँ ना.
Nice. But I can't do that because I'll not be able to skip like he has done.
Ma'am,
so
don't
easily.
skip. Ma'am, sing the
Don't
song.
skip, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Just
don't
sing the
skip.
song.
Just sing the
Yes,
normal song.
Ma'am, maid is here.
Liberty.
You simply sing.
Here is JP sir. Let him sing first. And like the students, they
Ma'am.
just want their roll number to be the last one, huh? You go first, then I'll go.
Ma'am, JP sir is not in the meeting right now. You have to sing.
I have to sing. Okay.
Ma'am, you take your time.
Yes,
Ashna,
ma'am.
you have so much
Otherwise,
time, huh?
Ma'am, you take your time, but you have to sing.
ma'am, if you take too much time, then you have to sing 2 songs.
Okay. That's good. Very nice option you have given me. Okay, just a minute. I'll do in the class tomorrow, positively. I'll sing in
No,
the
ma'am,
class.
you have to sing now.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
do here
Teachers' Day is
also and
today.
do tomorrow also. No problem.
Okay, just a minute.
Then
I'm
ma'am
looking-
will submit the AIL project on 7th.
Ma'am, you have another option also.
What
Ma'am,
is
increase the
that?
date
Ma'am,
of
don't
project
sing, give
submission.
us games.
That is okay.
Don't
That is okay. I
sing,
promise
give
you.
us
Thank
games.
you, Siddharth. You're such a
Wednesday.
nice boy.
Ma'am, sing
Ma'am,
here,
on
give us
Wednesday.
games tomorrow.
Acha?
On
Ma'am,
Monday, give us games.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am, on Wednesday. The 2 periods which we have.
ma'am, on Wednesday, ma'am, 2 period.
Wednesday 2 periods. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Just a minute. Let me look at it.
Ma'am, otherwise you have to sing.
I'm doing the cheating, huh? But I'm seriously not able to remember. Otherwise, I would have done it.
Ma'am, you can search the song on the internet, no?
Ma'am, search, listen, and then sing. Ma'am, no problem. We are here.
Acha. Nahin, that one. Just a minute. Anyone please remind me of that album of that Barsat album, if you remember. See, my favorite song I'm not able to remember at this particular moment. Exam pressure, you know.
Ma'am, which one?
Which album?
Just give me. What it? भीगी भीगी रातों में फिर तुम आना, ऐसी बरसातों में आओ ना. That is my favorite album actually. I'm forgetting the name of the singer. What was his name?
Games cancel.
Game cancelled. I sang. Games cancelled. Okay. So last question was there, I think.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
What next? Vote of thanks.
Here we
Please
end up
proceed
with
further.
this. And we hope you enjoyed it. And I thank each and every one of you, all the teachers and students, for coming here and making our effort worth it. I would like to request any of the teachers who would like to come forward and speak something.
Thank you very much, all of you, for taking time for all of us and making us feel so special. And especially I like the games part. Reason being, I was feeling like I'm in the class and you all are my teachers. I'm forgetting all the answers of the questions asked in the examination. So thank you for giving this opportunity to us. Thank you. Thank you very much. Girish sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, everyone, for this beautiful memories of my teaching life. And I hope you all will do better and I think very well. So we can say also, as Priyanshu has told, ki his mentor was that time told ki I am proud of you. So please don't forget about your study. That is the most important one. And thank you for this respect, children. Thank you.
And all the best for your bright future. All the best.
All the best from my side
Thank
also.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir and ma'am.
Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow. Thank you.
Jai Hind, everyone.
Jain, sir.
Jai Hind, beta.
Jai Hind, sir.
Jain, ma'am. Jain, sir.
Jai Hind, beta.